they've seen these tools. These tools allow you to really switch your belt really fast. This one is perfectly well, really good handmade quality. This from Kemimoto. I will put the link below and put the link on my Amazon store, but this is really the great tool to use. Once we remove the cap, it's going to be really easy what we're going to do next. So first, we're actually going to put the ring here. All right, guys, so what we're going to do now is really easy. Just, as you remember, put the plate first, and then this one will actually come in. And just we're going to make sure that we bolt it correctly in there till it's blocked. Once it's blocked, really easy. As you can see here, just pull it. There you go. So once we're able to actually pull the top, everything comes loose. And there you go, you can remove the belt. It will open completely the clutch. So just so you can see here, I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna open it, there you go. And by just pulling the lever, which is really almost effortless, you can just open the clutch completely. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the belt back. So for that, easily put it inside. I'm gonna need my two hands, so bear with me here. And then we're gonna reclose the clutch and do it. Here it's gonna be, see, it's gonna be loose, easy. Turn the key back. And now you're ready to just unbolt this, and then your belt is gonna be on. So it took 5 minutes, that's how it is. The tool is amazing, really easy to use, and it's really convenient. This is from Kemimoto.